what we did was we pan fried the chicken and some olive oil, salt, pepper, and just fried it till it was done, pan fried it. And then Heather put together it's like a teriyaki
sauce. So it's got, in here is a cup of if you want to grab the sweet mirin,
Yes.
I put it over there. So a cup of a Japanese rice wine, which is right here. And then we've got 6 tablespoons of soy sauce.
That was a lot. Smells good.
And then 3 tablespoons of honey. And we just cooked that down until it thickened up a little bit. Kind of got bubbly and thickened up. And so we're just going to be putting this over the chicken.
And so we made
sesame seed.
yeah, did I say we made the coconut rice too? So you want to tell them how we did that?
Yeah, so coconut rice, just basically instead of water, we used coconut milk. So cup of rice to 2 cups of coconut milk, or basically a can, and just cooked it, and that was it. And it's got a great flavor. I mean, it's a really, really yummy. It's creamy, so good. Looks so pretty. There you go, dear.
That looks so professional.
Looky there. All right, and a little sesame seed on that. Perfect.
Look at that.
That is a meal I would pay good money for.
Yeah.
Yum-y.
Roasted broccoli, coconut rice, and
How can you not like
teriyaki
that?
chicken. Looks good.
Yep, slam dunk,
Is this mine?
I guess. You could share.
All right.
I'm kind of hungry.
Oh, you know, we didn't even try the chicken. Do you want to try the chicken?
Sure, you could take a picture of that though.
Yeah, I will. So
Yeah.
we'll try it and let you know.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be a pretty picture of
I'm
this.
sure it's fantastic.
Yeah, it's gonna be
fantastic.
delicious. The sauce I tasted in it is
Was it good?
fantastic.
Okay.
So I can't imagine salt and peppered chicken in olive oil is not going to be bad.
Okay. So we're not gonna taste on film.
No.
We'll do that later.
We'll taste later.
Okay.
All right. See ya. So good.
Take a picture.